The Smart Hospital Living Lab is a collaboration between the University of Melbourne's Interaction Design Lab and a number of hospitals and organizations around Melbourne. And we're trying to find ways in which we can use our expertise on designing new interactive technologies to solve important problems. How to improve safety and improve efficiency. Specifically, one of the projects we looked at how to track patients in hospital when they come in for an operation.
The goal of my project is to optimize the patient flow and the usage of operating rooms in the hospital. Hospitals are very critical environments. They're very expensive. Even operating rooms can cost up to $1,500 even when not being used. So by using indoor localization, we are planning to give aggregate statistics over the movements of people in the hospitals, and we are trying to identify delays and timeliness in the steps that lead to a surgery. We decided to go with a combination of small coin-sized Bluetooth beacons, and so we give them to people to carry around in the daily work life within the hospital. And then what we do is that we deployed an IoT device with Bluetooth capabilities. These Bluetooth beacons are broadcasting a unique identifier, which is then picked up with one of these devices in the room.
That's why the technology is the advantage, because it takes the recording of information away from people and allows them to do their job.
We've been using the beacons for our patients for the last few months. They're tracking them from day procedure to theatre and seeing if we can make it more efficient for patients and for us.
We can possibly see where the gaps are or where the delays are, and then probably we can put all the data together, and maybe if there is a delay or if there is a gap, then we can talk about that and come up with a solution.
We think that this will be really important, really interesting for the hospital to get an immediate understanding of how efficient is the operating theatre. So we're trying to develop a new language to query and navigate these very large long-term data sets. And we also want to give them an easy and intuitive user interface so they can easily navigate and track the position of people throughout the day.
There's a lot of potential for rethinking the role of technology in hospitals. And there's this growing need for a new kind of workforce. And I think our university is at a great position to provide training for this new kind of career pathway.